The Hive ecosystem is redefining what it means to earn crypto for your content online. Today, let's learn about Hive communities, what they are, and most importantly, how they benefit you. The Hive communities are similar to subreddits on the Reddit platform. If you already use Reddit, you can see that users can launch subreddits based on a topic or interest, and other users can post content to it, whether it's original content or a curation of content from somewhere else on the internet. Hive communities work in a similar way. Hive users can launch communities based on an interest or topic, and other users can post or curate content there. So what's the cool difference? Hive communities are powered by blockchain technology. Hive is decentralized, and many other platforms that run on or are integrated with Hive can all display data from the same blockchain database, resulting in an extremely harmonious and meshed-together ecosystem. Imagine if your Reddit username was also your Medium username and YouTube channel name and Twitter handle, and you could cross-post your content cleanly on all of them at once with just a few clicks. The Hive ecosystem makes things that easy. For example, when you upload a video on ThreeSpeak, a video platform integrated with Hive, you can select a community to attach the video to right inside the upload settings. The video embed and full description will be automatically cross-posted to the Hive community you chose. How cool is that? And here's the coolest part of all about Hive communities. It's blockchain, which means there's a reward system built in. You can get real cryptocurrency rewards for your original content and curations, wherever you post them in the entire ecosystem. Check out our How to Get Started with Hive video to learn more. I'm Justin, and you're watching the video channel of Market Square, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe, join our Discord, and get your free account at marketsquare.io. See you next time.